you want to be highly regarded in your industry, then you need to win awards. But you can't win an award if you don't apply for them and if you don't have a system for submitting yourself for awards. And after you win an award, what do you do with it, right? How do you get it out there? How do you make it work for you? Well, hi everybody, I'm John Lincoln with IgniteVisibility, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to win awards in your industry and how to use them to your advantage. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Before you get started, make sure to click the notification bell and make sure to subscribe so that you can get more videos like this in the future. Industry awards elevate your business. They create a buzz around your brand. They put you on your customers' radar and they help you win new business, and in some cases, they even help you attract talent. It's really important that you know all the top awards in your industry and that you're submitting for them consistently so that you can be winning awards and getting your name out there. So here are 5 ways that you can find out all the awards in your industry. Let's go ahead and take a look. Item number 1 is really simple. Just do a search for industry awards. In place of industry, put in your industry. For example, if you're in the healthcare industry awards. If you do a simple search like that, you're going to be able to find a whole bunch of different sites that offer awards in the area. Number 2, look at competitors' websites. What awards are competitors touting? Number 3, ask customers. What awards are they looking for in your industry? What awards do they appreciate? Pro tip, sometimes it's not even just industry awards. Sometimes it's best places to work, it's fastest growing. More national awards or general business awards are an important category as well. Number 4, this is a fun one and pretty easy. There's something called awardsfinder.com. You can go there and just do a basic search. It's going to spit back quite a bit of stuff for you. Number 5, check out all the top local, national, and industry publications that are out there. If you go to their sites, generally you're going to find a list of the different awards that they have every single year. You're going to want to jot those down. Okay, so through all this, what you want to do is develop a list of a couple different awards that you want to submit to each month. You probably want to be submitting to anywhere between 6 and 20 different awards over the course of a year. You're not going to win them all, but if you're consistently submitting, you're bound to win a few really good ones each year, and that's going to be awesome for your brand. So how do you actually win and have a successful submission process? Number 1, develop a unique angle. What makes your work or project different from the other applicants? What can you put out there that's unique? Number 2, focus on the impact of your project. So not necessarily the highest dollar amount win, but really what was the impact on a local level, a national level, within a community that your project made. 3, get the team involved. While your application should be written in one voice, if you use a variety of people's experiences with the work to craft the application, you're going to have more success. Not only is that going to ensure that you cover every section of the project, but it's going to help your employees and your team feel more connected to the award. It's going to feel like a better win. Number 4, study the former winners. Why did they win, right? What was different about their submission that allowed them to win? So that if you look at that, you can try to tailor yours so that it's similar. And then the last one, which is really important, is communicate your brand story. Really, to win awards, you need to be a great storyteller, right? How did it start? How did it get flushed out? And then what was the big win at the end? You need to make your brand feel personable. You need to let the judges get to know the story behind the award submission. If it's just data, you're just throwing stuff out there, it's usually not as good as if it was something that has a great story and that's impactful. Okay, so congratulations, you just won an award. What do you do after you win? How can you make this worth it for you? Well, here's a couple things. First thing is put it in your ads. If you have a large remarketing audience, you have a large email list, you can run ads to that audience and you can show them the award that you've won, and that's going to get them excited. It's going to give you validation. It's going to help you with those lower funnel conversions. You can also do a press release. You can add it to your site. You can do a blog post around it. You can send it out in your email letter. At the end of the day, you just want to market it. Get it out there. Get inside of your sales proposals and make it part of everything that you do on some level so that people can understand that you have been validated as an expert in the industry. Winning awards like the Inc. 5000, Best Places to Work, those general awards are fantastic. In addition to that, getting industry-specific awards really goes a long way. Not only can it help you with your advertising and help you in general with your expertise in the industry, it can also be very impactful even from an SEO perspective. What do I mean by that? Well, if you win 10 awards, that's 10 different major publications out there generally who will link back to your website and who will promote your website and get more people searching for your brand. It's definitely something you should be doing, and I highly encourage it. If you have any questions about winning awards in your industry, go ahead and leave them below. If you like this video, give me a like, give me a comment. I always appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.